Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to go through this week's work. Do you guys realize we have like 2.5 weeks left? This is like crazy. Hey you guys, I wanted to introduce you to week 6, and believe it or not, we have 3 weeks left. Oh my gosh, that is like crazy. So I hope you had a nice little reprieve from our essay this past week, and no ARs, no article reflections, but instead you guys get to work on synthesis papers. So let's check out what you guys got going on. So week 6, here we are. All right, awesome. So week 6 checklist. So please check that or click that, because then you can do the little checklist so that you know that you got everything taken care of. All right, so LCC, persuasive qualities and ads. So just quickly watch this video. It is 6 minutes on persuasive qualities and ads. This is a homemade one, so I did this. And the PowerPoint that I use in the video is right there. Analyzing an ad. This one is pretty easy. So chapter 7 in our book covers persuasive elements. But if you don't have the book, then watch this 8-minute video. And if you don't, well, I'm sure you can access the video, but the other, oh, I didn't attach the resource, so I'll make sure I attach the resource there. There's another resource you can check out, or all three. What the heck, you know? Synthesis paper. That is our new, it replaces the article reflection, and this is a quick video that explains what exactly the synthesis paper is all about. So you have that to explain. That is the rubric and a written explanation. So go ahead and make sure you do that. And I just want to reemphasize on this synthesis paper, it is not a comparison of the texts. It is not similarities and differences between the texts. You're going to go above the text and talk about the author's philosophies, and how the author, you can detect the author's philosophies is through the content that they write and the thesis that comes through in that content. So we're going to flesh out the texts like really quick in the first paragraph, but then you're going to go into the author's similarities and differences, and relationships and connections that they have as actual people, and what they value in life, and what they believe in life. So, all right, I'll stop about that. So anyways, here's the visual rhetorical analysis essay. We are moving into that. This is the rubric. So if you happen to take a look at the rubric, do I have it up here? I don't know if I have it up here. Let's see. Yes, I do. So if you want to know what in the world is this visual rhetorical analysis essay, I have a little link right here for you to know what that is all about. So you will not be in the dark. So go ahead and check that out, please. Then you're going to, of course, do brainstorming. We're going to do that individually. Working thesis, again, I just want to make sure you're on the right track. Annotated bibliography, you guys rocked on this last time, so keep up the good work. And let's see, plagiarism unit, it is going to take about an hour. So you're going to go through there's like a series of videos and a series of mini quizzes, and then at the end there's a pre-test and a post-test. Then you're going to do the post-test and do a screenshot or save the PDF, because there's instructions as to how to get those results to your instructor. So you can follow those instructions, or just take a screenshot, or something like that. And I think that is, and of course, practice writing terms, and of course, practice comma usage. So that's about it for this week, and reach out, you guys. Thanks.